Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I have actually basically just done an install to a Vauxhall Astra K. Now, I basically want to do this video because it's kind of different to showing you all the full install and stuff, because I've already done an install with one of these with the Fibre Optic kit, and I went into a lot of detail on how to remove panels and all those kind of things. So this is kind of more of a recap and also an update because I've gone for a Symphony kit on this car. So the owner of the car wanted to go for the Symphony Star. It's a little bit different than the Fibre Optic in terms of how flexible it is. So there are certain things that had to be done differently. So let me first show you around the car. So this is, again, after it's been installed. You can probably hardly tell it has been done. And I've just turned the car on. It's got that parking assist thing, so it always keeps beeping at you when you first start it up. But I had a clip of the startup sequence just without any sound, basically. But yeah, so that's how I've gone about doing it at the front, which looks really nice. I think it flows really nicely with the interior. So the rear strip has been done along here. It does create a nice glow up the whole arm as well. It wasn't going to work in this top section because it was just too tight. It was kind of flexing the strip in the wrong way, so I didn't want to keep it there. But I was able to do it with the front, and I really wish that it was just that little bit darker, because if it was as dark outside, I think this interior would have really popped even more. In person, this looks amazing, but on camera, it's a little bit harder to get it to look the way you actually are seeing it in real life. It's just a really nice, clean finish. Now, I'm going to quickly play a little bit of music with this. I'm going to have to do it with copyright music, so just a moment. So you guys all saw how that looks with the music, and then you can obviously set it all to solid colors like so, which is another beautiful touch with this ambient lighting kit, which is, again, this is the reason why I like the Symphony kit so much. If you can make it work on a car, it's just that complete finish always. So yeah. So everyone, I just wanted to do a quick little outro from this video. So it is a pretty difficult and interesting one to do. I'll be honest, the rear doors are more challenging than you would think. But if you go ahead with the way I've done it, it will save you a lot of time from trying to guess and trying to figure things out. Now with this install, if you are interested in getting it done, then you can click on the description down below. I'll leave a link for my website and you can book directly in for that. If you have any questions, you can message me on Instagram. Now, if you are going to be someone who'd like to try this yourself, then please watch my previous video on how I did everything. It shows you a lot more detail as to how to go about everything. But also, I'll leave links for everything in the description down below. They're affiliate links, so they do help support the channel. But that will be everything you pretty much need to achieve this install look. But for now, everyone, I'm going to leave the video here. If you have enjoyed the content or you would like to support the channel, please consider subscribing, give the video a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments down below, and I hopefully will speak to you in the near future. Peace out. Bye.